Hi, this is Steph and welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to discuss about Seabank. So if you are into digital banks, I think you've probably heard about Seabank. So it is just like, it's the same with cimb, tonik, ing, or even other digital platforms, digital payment platforms such as gcash and paymaya. So if you are interested in this topic, then check this video out. If you haven't subscribed in this channel yet, please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, also hit that like button, and might as well share this to your friends. We will structure this video by first discussing what is Seabank and a little bit of history about it, and then we will also discuss the processes on how to open an account in Seabank, and I will also discuss the pros and cons of using this digital bank. And lastly, why you should consider using Seabank. Seabank is a rural bank. It is very obvious in their mobile application or on their website, so it is already disclosed there. It is a rural bank. Previously, it is called Banco de Laguna Incorporated, which is owned by C Money Holdings PH, which is also a subsidiary of C Group. I think everyone is familiar with Shopee. So Shopee is owned by C Group, and just like other digital banks, Seabank is also approved by the BSP. So it is PDIC insured, and also C Group is registered with the SEC, or the Securities and Exchange Commission. If you wanted to check some reports, you can also go to their website and find there like the previous financial reports of Seabank. So let's talk about the interest rates because we can earn in this portion. So the interest rates offered by Seabank is 6% annually or per annum, and this is credited daily, while the traditional banks only offer us 0.0625% annum, and which is credited quarterly. This means to say that every day, the principal amount that you invested will increase because of the interest that is added daily. The next question would be, how do you open an account in Seabank? So it's just very simple, guys. So number one that you need to do is you need to download their app. So you can find this in Apple App Stores or Google Play Stores. So you just need to download it. And the next, there are 3 ways in which you can sign up for your account. So number one, you can register via your mobile number. So you just need to click sign up with mobile number. And lastly, you can register via Apple. So again, the same process, you just click continue with Apple. Next is you just create your own password. So the password is 8 to 16 characters long and includes both alphabets and numbers. Next also is you do your facial verification. So make sure that your place is well lit so that it's clear, your face is clear when you capture the photo. Next is you just upload your ID. So these are the list of the valid IDs that they accept. So we have here UMID, the driver's license, the field ID or the national ID, the postal ID, passport, PRC ID, and the SSS ID. And then you just fill out the identity details or your personal information. And just like other digital banks, you need to create a secure PIN which is 6 digits long. So that's it. You just need to wait for a confirmation or notification that you have now been fully registered. Let us now discuss the pros and cons of using Seabank. So let's start first with the pros. So the number one advantage is the high interest rates. So I've said previously that it earns 6% interest annually, which is credited daily. If we compared it to the traditional banks, it only earns 0.0625% annually, and it is credited quarterly. The next advantage is that it has no minimum balance. So you don't need to pay for certain fees just like traditional banks that when you fall below the minimum balance, there is a fee. Usually it's 300 pesos, but for Seabank, there's no minimum balance. Another great news is that it has no transfer fees. So unlike other banks which charges us like 18 pesos, 25 pesos for transferring of amounts, here in Seabank, there is no transfer fees. And lastly, this is a no-brainer. The account opening is just easy and fast. So how about the cons, Steph, or the disadvantages? I am aware of the disadvantages of Seabank because I am also personally using this digital bank. So number one on my list is that it has no bills payment. Also, it does not have any investment options. What else? And like insurance payments. So something like that. If we compared to like other digital banks or other digital wallets, so it is less comprehensive. That is also the reason why there are no fees or transfer fees. Another disadvantage is that it does not have any ATM card. So what you need to do if you have money in this bank, you just transfer it to your other banks, other digital banks. If you have cimb, cimb also has an ATM card with their fast account, so you can transfer it there, or you can transfer it to other traditional banks. Another thing that is lacking in Seabank is their security feature. So the two-factor authentication. Sa kanila kasi is that you can just secure a PIN, like the 6-digit PIN, and then the touch ID or your fingerprint. However, I wanted sana yung merong, you can receive OTPs or text message that somebody has accessed your account, so something like that, so that you will feel more secured about it. And also, I've noticed that the transaction limit per day is so high. So it's like 1 million ang pinakamataas. So I feel like this is very unsafe, especially that hindi naman super secured yung security feature nila. So it would have been better if the transaction limit per day is just lower. So I think that's all. That's the disadvantages and the advantages of using Seabank. So the next question would be, why would I still use Seabank if these are the disadvantages? So for me, I use Seabank to park my emergency funds because I want to take advantage of the high interest rates. It's 6%, guys. It is like almost the same with MP2. So might as well take advantage of it for your emergency funds. But I would also say that do not put all your money in Seabank because it is not as stable compared to other banks. So park a little bit of your emergency funds. Just take advantage of the interest rates because eventually, once it has fully penetrated in the market and it has improved their mobile application, so I highly believe that the interest rates would go lower. It started 6%, but now it has gone down to 5%. So maybe in the future, it would be much lower compared to now. So take advantage of the interest rate. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Please comment down below if you have any other questions related to digital banks, Seabanks, and many more. So I just hope you learned a lot from this. See you in my next videos. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you. Bye.